Kiara, you're cracking an egg, Kiara. Are you cooking? That's it. Well done.
You can do this as well. Hold the egg in your hand. Hold it in this hand. And then smack it with that.
Hard.
This way.
What are you doing, Kiara?
Smacking an egg.
Are you going to bake the egg? Uh-oh, the egg's popped open. Now put it in the
Put it in the bowl.
Keep going. Pull the egg open. That's it. Well done. Uh-oh, we've lost a bit of egg. Ta-da! And that is how you cook, ladies and gentlemen. Can you look at the camera? What are you making? Tell the camera.
Eggs.
And?
Making scones.
You're making scones with mommy.
Oh my goodness. Okay. We got a little egg incident.
Oh, come on. That's how it's done, isn't it?
That's the egg. Let's put it in the bowl, okay?
Now, what else is going in that bowl, mommy?
Slimy.
Some more egg.
No, that one egg is for mommy.
Oh, goodness. Okay, hang on, sweetie. Let's just clean up quickly.
You're on video, by the way. And what are you cooking now, Chef Kiara?
Kiara, can you whisk the egg for me? Where's your whisk?
Where's your whisk? Whisk the egg.
Can you whisk that egg for me?
Hold the bowl, hold the bowl.
Hold the bowl, whisk the egg.
That's it. What are you doing now?
Some whisking.
Whisking.
Ready? Okay, are we ready?
What's next, baby K?
Right, now you need to help me. Can you help me? I'd like you to pour the flour into... Let's just put this down. Can you pour the flour into this glass bowl for me? But don't spill any. Put that down. Okay, pour it in there carefully. Very good.
Well done. And you spilled nothing. Well done, Chef Kiara.
Okay. Now this is the baking powder and you would sprinkle it in like that, gently.
That's it. Well done. What's next, mommy? No, don't touch it. Wait. We got to stir it just
I'm
now.
going to have a little bit of salt. I'm going to do the salt. Okay, now can you give it a stir with
Dat was
the
papier,
spoon?
hè? Pepper, hè?
Hmm?
Is it
Yeah,
salt?
this is salt.
Ah. Papier. Jeez, I can't even speak Afrikaans anymore.
I don't even know what pepper is. Pepper.
Pepper, hè? And last but not least, mommy?
Okay.
Okay, can you say bye-bye, everybody?
Bye-bye, everyone.
And here ends the show.
Hence the show.